Hello guys, namaste, welcome back to Android Tricks. I recently reviewed Honor View 10 on my channel, and one thing I missed reviewing in detail was the face unlock feature, as it wasn't released when I shot that video. So in this video I'm gonna try my best to trick the face unlock feature, and let's see how accurate or in fact how fast it is. I'll be testing the face unlock feature under different situations and with few accessories, so without wasting any further time, let's begin. First of all, I'm going to show you how fast it is in the ideal situation. You just look at it and you are in. That's it. No need to swipe up on the screen like the iPhone, just look at it and you are in. Now let's try to see if it opens up when I have my eyes closed. And as you saw it doesn't open up if I have closed my eyes, which means it won't open up when you are asleep and someone tries to open it. I used the face unlock feature when I had beard, so I was wondering if I shave and then try to unlock, will it take some time because it would be a sudden change on my face for the camera to understand, or it will open up easily. So here's the first try after shaving, and as you can see it unlocked just as fast as it did earlier. The next test was to see how it would handle outdoor situations when you have sunlight behind your back, or any other light source behind your back for that matter, which makes it hard for the camera to understand and recognize your face. I was actually expecting it to fail here, but to my surprise it worked, not only once but all the times I tried. The next thing which I wanted to try was to see if it opens up if I have harsh sunlight on my face. I assumed it would definitely work because I thought the brighter the better, but as you can see it fails to recognize my face sometimes and doesn't always work. iPhone openly admitted that it won't work when you have sunglasses on because of its various sensors which will fail to detect your eyes via the sunglasses. So I wanted to try it out with Honor View 10 as well. And you'll be surprised to know that it actually worked. I thought it was a one-time thing that it worked by mistake, and I tried again and it worked like a charm. I also tried with another pair of sunglasses and it unlocked without any problem. I'm really surprised that it didn't work earlier when I had my eyes closed, but it's working now when I have my sunglasses on, through which it can't see my eyes. Strange, isn't it? I also tried it with a hat and a cap and it worked both the times without any issues, although it is not as challenging as the sunglasses, but still it's good to know that it works. Now how about an extreme test where I have my sunglasses on along with the hat? I was literally surprised that it worked, even though only once. I was fascinated to see it unlocks in such extreme condition. Talking about extreme condition, how about a test in the pitch dark environment? Let's start off with brightness kept at 100 or 75%, which itself throws a lot of light on the face, and with the help of that light it is able to unlock the device. Switching the brightness lower and it still works. Now this is below 50% and right now I am confident that it would fail, but to my surprise it actually works like a piece of cake. For the last and the most difficult test of this video, I have decreased the brightness to the minimum and boy oh boy it unlocked the phone. It clearly puts iPhone X to shame when it comes to face unlock. So that's pretty much for this video guys. I currently do not have the OnePlus 5T to test it against this phone, but you can watch the video made by Sundar on C4E Tech. They pretty much covered everything you'll want to know. I'll link it down in the description box. Subscribe if you haven't already and comment down below what would you like me to show in the next video. See you guys in the next one.